Okay, so hello and welcome back to Gamers Planet. And in this video, I just want to tell you guys that hurricane season has started and there's already a new hurricane. So, yeah, let me just put this away. So, it's called Hurricane Chris, and it's expected to hit Newfoundland and Nova Scotia. So, let me show you its path. It's there. And for now, I don't need wind on. Yeah, so it's expected to hit part of Nova Scotia and Newfoundland. And it's going to hit a lot of Newfoundland. I don't know why I have so many places that are... And there's also another typhoon that's called Maria. And it's been traveling for a very long time. And it's going to hit somewhere here in Asia. But mainly in this video, we're focusing on Tropical Storm Chris. And it's a tropical storm that just started. Not right now, but it just started maybe a few days ago. 2 days ago. And I don't want London as... There we go. Yeah, so it's gonna hit Newfoundland. And I'm gonna put the wind on. Whoa. So you can see where it's red, it's really extreme. And I think you can tap somewhere. If I do this, yeah, there we go. And I can just move this around. So maybe where the strongest part of the hurricane is here. Or tropical storm. I keep calling the tropical storm a hurricane. Okay, yeah, so probably the fastest part of the tropical storm is here. I don't want it to be on miles per hour. What else? Okay, yeah, so I'm just giving you an update on Tropical Storm Chris in the settings, and if I go to more, yeah, I want this to be, I don't even know what these are, HPA maybe, then wind, I want it to be kilometers per hour. I'm not just doing whatever I want. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go back, and it must be faster maybe now, I don't know. Okay, I need that thing again. There it is. Yeah, it's way faster now. Look at that, 68 kilometers per hour. So, Tropical Storm Chris. Speed 0. Why does it still say miles per hour? There we go. When I said it, it actually fixed. That was funny. 194 kilometers per hour, and so that means it's a Category 1. Yes, it's Hurricane Chris, Category 1 Hurricane Chris. And gust 112 kilometers per hour, that's a Category 2. And yeah, so I just wanted to inform you guys, this is precipitation. And look at how much precipitation is in that thing, cloud cover. There we go. And you can also see some lightning. It's pretty cool. Yeah, guys. So that was Hurricane Chris. Hope you enjoyed this video. please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video on Gamers Planet. And yeah, bye. Please follow me on Twitter and check out my website, and I'll see you in the next video. And guys, remember, shoutouts at 150 subscribers, so please subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you next time on Gamers Planet.